Dear UGC NET aspirants, right now I have the text of the organizing on academic conference. When you study the pedagogy and the teaching aptitude, the first paper or general paper, you will have to understand many more things within the textbook, that the conference what says the conference. When this question will be asked in the examination, that conferences are usually organized either by a scientific society or by a group of researchers. So the scientific society or researchers with a common interest will be the main factor. That interest will be the same of all. Larger meetings may be handled on behalf of the scientific society. Larger meeting by a professional conference organizer or PCO. The full form of PCO is the professional conference organizer. The meeting is announced by way for a call for papers. Call for papers, what you have prepared, or call for a abstracts, what you have the ideas, which lists the meeting's topic, what will be the topic of the meeting, and tells prospective presents how to submit their abstracts or papers, what you have prepared. Increasingly, submissions take place online using a managed service such as Community of Science or Oxford Abstracts. So, the submission, when you submit the respective things, it is known as the submissions. In this segment, you will see the plenary session. As the here, a plenary session with the plenary speech or plenary talk is a phrase often used in conferences to define the portions of the conference when all members of all groups are invited to attend. So plenary session and plenary sessions are typical scheduled both near the start of a conference and in the latter half, but not typically at the final hour due to many attendees leaving before the last day of the conference. Various prominent, the main speakers often give opening plenary speech at the start of a conference or closing plenary speeches in the final plenary session. During those sessions, typically all other activities are suspended or exhibit halls closed to allow everyone to attend the plenary talks or sessions. To allow everyone to attend, everyone. These sessions may contain a broad range of content from the keynote speeches to panel discussions and are necessarily related to a specific style of delivery. So this session is very important. I would like to provide you the three things: colloquium, congress, and convention. Triple C, CCC. A colloquium, a colloquium is an academic um, meeting or seminar usually led by different lecturer and on different topic at each meeting. So academic meeting, it is academic meeting, colloquium. And congress is an alternative name for the large national or international academic conference. When the conference based on the large national or international academic based. For instance, the World Congress on Men's Health, WCMH, is an annual meeting or women's medical issues. It is a men's medical issues. Convention. Convention, in the sense of the meeting, is a gathering of individuals who meet at an arranged place and time in order to discuss, to engage in some common interest. So common interest will be main for the convention. Conventions are often planned and coordinated, often exacting detail by professional meeting and convention planners, either by staff or convention or a hosting company, or by outside specialists. In the technical sense, a convention is a meeting of delegates or representatives. So delegates is also known as the representatives. Meetings gathering individuals who met and arranged a place and time or discuss engage in some common interest, and they planned and coordinated by existing details or by professional meetings and conventions planner, either by staff or convention or hosting company, or by outside specialists. So convention here provide you sense of meeting in terms of the respective matters or common interest. It means the implementations followed by the common required uh, requirements. Here you will see seminar and symposium. I will provide you the information regarding both of you, seminar and symposium, later on. Till then, thank you. Goodbye.